Hello guys, welcome to my channel Nuer Online. Today I'm going to share with you a very important tips on how you can monetize your Facebook page. I have many people that are asking me how can I monetize my Facebook. So there's some requirement that you have to meet. I talk a lot about those requirements, so I will not get out of you guys. I will also tell you again. To be able to be monetized or to be eligible, you need 10,000 followers and then 600 watch minutes, 600,000 watch minutes on your Facebook page. So here is my page. I'm going to show you. This is my page right here. So this page of mine, I'm going to check, find out the status of the monetization that I'm within right now. So let's say I have only 2,800 followers right now. So let's me simply go direct into the page. So simply click your page. If you are on your page right now, goes direct into this thing called we have a Meta Business Suite right here, or you can simply click home while you are on your Facebook page. Okay, so simply goes down here and click Meta Business Suite. This one you can click it. Okay. So after you click that, you are going to see some of the information that can help you to manage your Facebook page. So what we are looking at here, we only need a monetization right here. You can see it here at the left side of your screen. So you click monetization, and then we are going to see the other information that concern our Facebook page status. So what we have here, it's a we have we have education. So what we are looking at is how to check the eligibility of our page. So view page eligibility, we have see details. So what we are going to do right now is simply click this view page eligibility, and we are going to see, well, it said matching, you are not eligible. You can see it from here. So this is what you're going to see. But if yours is being approved already, you're going to see a tick on it, or green, something like that. So let's go into why am I not eligible for Facebook page monetization. Well, there are a list of the requirements. Like I say earlier, we have some of the things that you have to fulfill, and to be able to fulfill that, you need to know about in-stream ad for on demand. In-stream ad, they are short video that somebody will show or advertise using your videos. They will appear on your videos. So this is very important. When your page monetized, you will be able to earn money. That's how people make money. Let's say on Facebook, I mean on YouTube. On YouTube, this is how they monetize, or this is how people get money on YouTube. Whenever you upload a video and then you're already being accepted in the company, what the company will do, they will start showing other people video on your YouTube video. This is how you get money. If nobody is advertising is stuff on your YouTube channel, it means that you are not going to get money from there. So this is very important. Here there are this requirement that you can follow. It said here partner monetization policies. Those policies, you violate them, there is a problem. Okay, let's go here. Followers are 29%. Like I said, I have only I think it is 2,000, or yeah, I believe 2,000. Let me get here. I'm going to show you guys the amount of my follower that I have, because you need to know and to learn how you can be able to reach 10,000 and what in fact they can bring into your life. So here we have, I have only 2,800, right? So that 2,800, it is only 29% on all the followers that the Facebook need me to fulfill. So it says that this page need to have a minimum of 10,000 followers to discover new way to grow your audience. So this is how you get monetized. So the other eligibility requirement that you need is earning 600,000 on demand live and previous live minute viewed, including replay minute, but not including boosted. So if you are somebody who been boosting his page by paying advertiser to promote his or her page, it means that you are not, those watch will not be considered by the Facebook page. So it is not being allowed, or it is not recommendable for you to boost your page if you need people, or you need Facebook team to monetize your Facebook page. So you need 600,000 demand. So these are the very important thing that you have to fulfill. The other thing is this in-stream art for life. Let's say if you be an example, you get 10,000 followers and you also reach those 600,000 on demand live and previous live minutes, and Facebook accept you, you can be able to get money using live video. When you go live, people will also watch your video with money. So this is very important. Also, people will also pay you to give them a unique content, so that they can be the only one watching, not this video that you upload everyone watch. So fund subscription is when people want to see different content than what other people are watching. So you have to know this policy. This is very important. Well, up to here, if you have any question on how you can check your Facebook page status about eligibility, please comment down below there. And remember, these are the requirements. And you need 10,000 followers and 600,000 on demand minutes. So there you go. The other information that you need to know is that this thing called content right here, this is where you can be able to see all the posts that you've been posting, and you can also understand what activity you've been doing on your Facebook page. This is where you can also be able to delete your information whenever you want them. Let's say you post a post which is against Facebook policy, you can be able to remove it using this Facebook Studio. So this is how you can be able to change all the information that you need to do when you are on Facebook page. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any comment, drop it down below. Bye bye.